I can get that going. What's going on? What's going on? Peoples, you already know what time it is. Welcome back, you know what I mean? So we finna get active once again, you know what I mean? And I got the whole team here. Today a big day. The bad day, you know what I mean? So I was thinking about jumping on interior, but you know what I'm saying? People was like, get on the motor, D. Guess what? Today. We getting on the motor today. Whole squad, you know what I'm saying? They ready, it early. You know
Cheers.
You know what I'm saying? It early, y'all. It early, you know what I mean? Whole team on time with it. And we finna get active. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get active. All right. Garage dirty than the motherfucking shit everywhere. So I gotta move some of this stuff. Huh? I might. But shit, we got mad guns around here. I'm gonna zip this motor out, pull this shit forward. What? The brakes?
Yeah. Can't wait to do it.
Hey, and it was easy.
Yeah, you should told me, man.
The shit was easy. The only problem though was that I should have like paid attention to when I did it was the damn what do you call it? The shims.
Oh yeah.
So like
yeah,
when you do,
when
you do take it apart, just remember where them shims go. Cause I found one on the ground on the other side.
On the top, right?
Yeah. So like right here, well you see it right there.
That's it right there.
Yeah. So like there's one on the ground on the other side. I do not know where that motherfucker go. And so I'm like, well, but I guess like that shim shit will come in play when they do the alignment, ain't?
Yeah.
And so I was like, well, if it ain't right, goddamn it ain't right. Camera gonna be off on that bit. Motherfucker wheel gonna be in that bitch like this. You know what I mean? You good, Jay?
Nah, I was gonna charge though. Damn. Battery for that M18. We didn't have to charge.
Oh. Look in that bottom drawer. It's a charger in there. Cause I got the Ryobi shit, so like that slide battery charger, I ain't got it, but there should be something in there. All right, we're gonna set y'all up real quick, like, you know what I mean? So we're finna be pulling the motor back out. I'm gonna pull it close to the garage door, and
Hey, where you took this amp out at? This came out your truck?
Which one?
This amp right here?
That's the one that came out the Camaro.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna put in the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, I took the speakers out too, so I got the speakers, I just gotta get a speaker box.
Yeah.
For the truck. Oh,
Fucking cold.
watch them toes.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? Y'all remember my boy, you know what I'm saying, King? This one got, you know what I mean, that fire-ass LS on the fold.
Man, come on.
You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? My man said, my man sit on ice right now.
Really?
It's that season. All these cars on ice. when we take these off, one of these, which it look like it's gonna be back here, they're gonna have pressure on it. So like, we need to use what do you call it, a hand wrench to unzip the one with pressure. I don't know about that part, unless that side been worked on. So some of these hoes look like they worked on. We're gonna see. Hey, they working. You know what I mean? Look, man. I done did this before. You know what I mean? I ain't never worked on no LS like that, but I done took motors apart. So, you know what I mean? It's time for the young boys to take over right now. Time for the young boys to do it. You know what I mean? So we want to build engines. completely broken down. Ready to hit the machine shop. You know what I mean? Don't look half bad, but them boys did that. They did that, you know what I mean? Most of the work, they did all of it. Shit, I was cooling. Ooh, that thing look good, man. You know, flip it upside down later, but I'm just gonna let it sit here for a little bit, man. Come back out here later on, clean that up. So that's a wrap, folks. That's a wrap. All the parts. Gotta go through it, figure out what I'm gonna discard, what I'm gonna keep, you know, this, that, and third.
Oh, this would be a dope took.
And that's it. Huh? Oh. Yeah, man. So that's it, you did. So with that being said, man, we're gonna tap back in with y'all another day. You know what I mean? Once we take it to the machine shop, all that good jazz, and then that's gonna be that, you did. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. And we